In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two boards in Monday.com and mirror information between them. We're going to walk through the full process of linking one board to another so that related items stay connected and your workflow becomes much easier to manage. This is especially useful when you're working across teams or tracking information that lives in more than one place. By the end, you'll know how to create that connection and verify that it's working properly. To begin, open the first Monday.com board. This is the board where you want the connection to start. Think of it as your main working board where you'll be linking items to information stored somewhere else. Once you're inside the board, look across the top of your columns and add a Connect Boards column. This column is what allows Monday.com to create a relationship between items on different boards. After adding that column, you'll be prompted to choose which board you want to connect to. Select the second board as the connected board. Make sure you choose the correct one, because this is the source of the related items you'll be linking. Once that connection is set up, the new column will now be ready for you to use. Next, go to an item in the first board and click inside the Connect Board cell. This opens the linking options for that specific item. From there, choose the related item from the second board. You're essentially telling Monday.com that these two items belong together. This is a simple step, but it's what makes the whole setup useful, because now the two boards can share context. If you want to display information from the second board directly inside the first one, add a mirror column. The mirror column lets you pull in selected data from the linked item so you can see important details without having to open the other board manually. This can save time and reduce back and forth navigation, especially if you regularly need to reference the same fields. Once the mirror setup is in place, test the connection by updating the linked item in the second board. After making the change, return to the first board and confirm that the connected or mirrored information reflects that update. This is the easiest way to verify that everything has been configured correctly. And that's it. You've successfully connected two boards in Monday.com, and if needed,